Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the Comset SMS Android app. This allows you to control your Comset 4G or 5G router or any devices connected to the DIO ports, all from a simple and easy to use interface. The app is compatible with the CM685V1, V4, V6 and VX routers, as well as the CM770 and the CM950 routers. To use the app, you must have the SMS command function set up on your router. If you're not sure how to do this, we've already covered this in another video. For this demonstration, I'll be using the CM685V4 router. You can see the GUI for this on the left-hand side of the screen. Alright, let's open up the app. If you haven't run the app before, you'll have to allow it to view and send SMS messages. And from this home screen, just enter in the phone number of the SIM inside the router that you wish to control. And then press Enter Comset. And here we have the main menu. Pressing Home will take you back to the Welcome screen where you can enter a new SIM number. Settings will allow you to rename the DIO ports. Control Router will obviously allow you to control the router. Control Device will allow you to control the devices connected to the router. And then down the bottom there's About Us and Contact Us. We'll start in Control Router. And I'll scroll down on the GUI so that we can see the status overview. Since the cell status is already down, I'll start by turning it on, and then I'll talk about some of the other options. Okay, the first option here is to turn the Wi-Fi on or off. You might want to turn Wi-Fi off remotely to save power or make your network more secure without the hassle of sending someone out to change it. Similarly, you might want to turn the cell off remotely to save on power. We're still able to send SMS commands even when the cell status is down, so don't worry about that. Next is Reboot. This is especially useful if you're having issues with your router and you just need to restart it. So you can easily do this via the app instead of sending someone out to do it. Once the command has been successfully completed, you'll notice this little green tick next to the cell, and you'll also receive a confirmation text message. The GUI should update shortly to show that the cell status is now up. In the app, I'm going to tap on the little information symbol down the bottom to get the cell status information from the router. This command can take a couple of minutes to send, so I'll just skip ahead. Alright, we've just got the confirmation text, and you can see the cell status down the bottom on the app has been updated. This shows that the cell status is up, which we can check over on the GUI. The signal strength has 3 bars. The WAN IP on the GUI matches what's shown on the app. And then the LAN IP is the one that we use to access the router. Finally, you can see that the network types are the same. Next, we'll have a look at the settings. Here we've got the 4 DIO ports. And you can change the name of each one to make it something easy to remember. We'll just change the first one, DIO0, to Lights, and remember to click Save when you're done. You can tell if it's been saved because you'll see this little toast at the bottom of the screen telling you. Now if we go back, we'll go to Control Device. Okay, so here you can see again we've got the 4 DIO ports, and the first one is called Lights while the others are the default names. So this way you can easily tell that it's the lights that you're turning on or off, and you don't have to remember which electronic device is connected to which port. I know that the DIO ports are all 0 by default, so I'm going to turn the lights on. Then over on the GUI, I'll scroll down to Services, and then to SMS, and then DIO default. Scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the current values for the digital output ports. So I just got the confirmation text message, and we can see that it now says complete next to the lights. And if I refresh the GUI, we can see that DIO0 now reads 1. You can also view the current status from the app by clicking on the information symbol next to DIO status. Again, this might take a little while to send, so I'll just skip ahead. Okay, now we can see from the app that DIO0 is on, which is our lights, while all the others are off, and this matches what we see over in the GUI. And that's how you can use the Comset SMS app. It's very easy to use and is very useful for controlling and checking the status of your router and any connected devices, all from your phone. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.